Scratches, swirl marks, and paint scuffs can make even a well-maintained car look worn out. In this video, we tested and ranked the best car scratch removers that help restore shine, reduce visible damage, and bring back a smoother, cleaner finish without the cost of professional detailing. Whether you're dealing with light scratches or stubborn paint marks, we've got you covered. Check the links in the description below to find the best option for your car. Number 1 is the Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultra Cut Compound, a professional-grade solution engineered for serious paint correction. Its micro-abrasive technology cuts through heavy scratches, swirl marks, holograms, oxidation, and acid rain damage, uncovering a stunning mirror-like finish underneath. The aggressive formula delivers results that basic compounds simply cannot match. That said, proper technique is essential. Careless application risks overdoing it. Experienced detailers consistently reach for M105 when tackling demanding correction jobs. If your paint carries significant swirling or deep surface damage, this compound delivers the kind of transformation that genuinely impresses. Number 2 is the Meguiar's Scratch X Car Scratch Remover, which targets fine scratches and paint blemishes with a polymer wax formula that restores surface clarity while adding a protective coating. Unlike older formulations, it requires noticeably less rubbing, making the whole process faster and more manageable for everyday car owners. While it won't address deeper damage, it handles light surface defects with consistent, satisfying results. The straightforward application means no professional experience is necessary. For drivers looking to eliminate minor imperfections without investing in expensive detailing services, Scratch X remains a dependable and practical first choice. Number 3 is the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover, which delivers a comprehensive paint restoration experience by combining cutting and buffing compounds with a polishing pad and microfiber towel in one complete kit. The aggressive abrasives tackle both scratches and swirl marks thoroughly rather than addressing isolated spots. For minor imperfections, the full kit approach might feel excessive, but owners dealing with widespread paint deterioration will appreciate having every necessary tool immediately available. If you're committed to genuine paint restoration rather than quick fixes, Carfidant provides everything required to get started confidently. Number 4 is the Turtle Wax Car Scratch Remover, which uses self-aligning precision platelets to aggressively target scratches without compromising any paint type or clear coat. From swirl marks to paint transfer, it handles multiple defects within a single application while sealing the restored surface for lasting gloss and protection. Results can vary depending on scratch depth, but the broad compatibility across different paint finishes makes it genuinely versatile. For everyday car owners seeking a straightforward, reliable solution that covers light to heavy scratches without specialized knowledge, Turtle Wax delivers consistent, trustworthy performance. Number 5 is the Huotwoe Nano Sparkle Car Polish, which replaces traditional liquid compounds with a reusable nano-infused cleaning cloth designed to help reduce the appearance of minor scratches through simple rubbing motions. The nanoparticles address minor scratches and water spots without requiring any additional products or technical expertise. Serious damage will exceed its capabilities, but the reusable design makes it increasingly cost-effective over time. For budget-conscious car owners wanting a fuss-free, no-liquid solution that handles everyday surface imperfections without ongoing product purchases, Huotwoe offers genuine practical value. Number 6 is the Malok Car Scratch Remover, which takes a different approach by replacing traditional paste formulas with a nano sparkle magic cleaning cloth. This clever design distributes polish evenly while eliminating messy application altogether. Minor scratches, water spots, and paint imperfections are handled quickly with minimal buffing required. Deeper scratches remain beyond its capabilities, but for casual users prioritizing convenience over heavy correction, that trade-off is acceptable. If you want something clean, simple, and ready to use without any preparation, Malok delivers effortless results. And that wraps up our picks for the best car scratch removers of the year. Whether you're dealing with deep scratches, swirl marks, or minor paint scuffs, there's an option on this list to suit your needs and budget. Don't let blemishes take away from your vehicle's appearance. The right solution could be just a few clicks away. Check out the links in the description below to learn more about each product. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.